In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a contact list in Outlook. Sharing your contact list can greatly enhance collaboration and communication, allowing others to easily access and utilize the same set of contacts you have. Let's dive into the steps and make this process seamless for you. First, you'll want to start by opening Outlook on your computer. Make sure you've launched the correct version of the application where your contacts are stored, as this is essential for accessing your contact lists. Once you have Outlook open, navigate to the People or Contacts section. This area is often represented by a small icon resembling a person or a group of people, typically located at the bottom left of your Outlook window alongside icons for Mail, Calendar, and Tasks. Clicking on it will bring you to your stored contacts. Now, among all the contacts, your task is to locate the specific contact group you wish to share. It's imperative that you select the right group, especially if you manage multiple contact groups for different purposes. Simply scroll through your list or use the search function if you're dealing with an extensive array of contacts. Once you've found your desired group, click to select it. This action will highlight the contact group, indicating that it's ready for further actions. Next, you'll need to forward this group to the recipient, and here's how you do it. Look for the option labeled Forward Group. You'll typically find this option by right-clicking the selected group or in the toolbar above. Click on Forward Group, then choose as an Outlook contact. This choice is crucial because it maintains the integrity of the contact information when it's transferred. Once you've made this selection, a new email window will open with the contact group attached as a file. In this new email window, you'll want to enter the recipient's email address in the TU field. Double-check that you've got the correct email address to ensure that it reaches the intended recipient. It might also be helpful to include a brief message in the body of the email, letting the recipient know what you're sending and any notes on how they might find it useful. When you're ready, click Send. Once the recipient receives your email, they can open the attached contact group file. From there, they can easily save the contact list in their Outlook by opening the attachment and following the prompts that appear. And that's it. You've successfully shared a contact list in Outlook. This method ensures that your contact details are efficiently and accurately shared, promoting better connectivity and communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any more questions or need further explanations, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy sharing!